money I love. I'm swerving it down. Yeah, I'm causing a madness. I'm swerving it down. Yeah, I'm causing a madness.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Diamond Dear. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. And in today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys along with me to my hair appointment. I washed and blow dried my hair yesterday, and my appointment today is at 1:30. This is my first time getting a frontal or a wig or whatever, but this is also my first time booking with this stylist, so I'm taking y'all guys along with me. But I know who the stylist is. Like, I know her, but I never got my hair done by her. But yeah, y'all. But I'm also gonna be including this video into my spend a day with me tomorrow, because it doesn't make sense to post this hair vlog and then post a spend a day with me. So yeah, y'all, that's about it. This is like the intro for the video. But yeah, y'all, it's currently 10:44, y'all, and my appointment is at 1:30 like I stated previously. I'll probably go get some food before my appointment. I'm not really sure. I'm just wearing this Fashion Nova jacket, this black bodysuit necklace, blue jeans, and one of my Uggs. Tomorrow we go back to school from our Christmas break. So today's January 3rd. We go back to school January 4th. And yeah, y'all, that's about it. Next clip, you guys, you probably see me on the way to my hair appointment or at my hair appointment. I don't know if I'm gonna get good footage at my hair appointment. Like I said, this is my first time booking with her, so I don't want to just pop my camera out and start recording and stuff like that. But maybe so. That's it for this portion of the video. On to the
I'm
next.
outside in an AMG. Right
So y'all, I just got here a couple minutes ago. I'm gonna put her stuff on the screen, y'all.
Still with the dogs that ain't cool beside. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside, DT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside, PT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right?
I'm outside in an
Right outside, PT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
So y'all, this is the progress. I'm pretty sure I started that last clip already.
Pointers in the paddock, get my piece. I'm pushing P.
Cop new hammers for my P. We don't want no peace.
Got a spot across the spot. Jumping peas.
Drop the data, now we plotting. Exotic peas.
She not a lesbian for peace, she turned lesbian. Push a P, I'm push a P. On capital P, I write the president, count presidents. Push a P. 40 P's on her knees, mopping down P. She let me squeeze if she leave, cause she keep a P. Private suite, privacy, bitch, I'm push a P. Purple paint, pussy pink, bitch, I'm push a P. Push a P, I'm push a P. Push a P, I'm push a P. Push a P, I'm push a P. Pop a P, I'm paranoid. I can't sleep, my pockets deep. Got rest on me, why they watching me? I'm push a P, I'm push a P. Push a P, I'm push a P. Yeah. Push it, push it, okay, bought a P, not a pill of Porsche. Push P. 3 P's, popcorn, Porsche. Push P. I just want a cup of water. Push a P, red bandana card. I'm a P, I your hoe endorse. And we finally touched.
Y'all better go
She
good.
ready in the streets with me, no question.
Yeah.
When you reach the ticks, I let my shoulder forward. Take the P. I'm pushing P. I'm pushing P. Pushing P. Pushing P. I'm pushing.
Alright, y'all, I'm back in the car. We on the way home. I guess I'll give y'all a little montage of me on the way home.
Hey. Hey. Yo. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. Yeah. I got one Virgil, got one, and that is the only two, man. How many times have I shown improvement? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay?
So y'all, this is my hair. I couldn't get y'all like a real in-depth video when I was in the car, but y'all, I made it back home but like 20 minutes ago. So yeah, y'all know when you get your hair done, you're in the bathroom making TikToks, in your room making TikToks, making TikTok posting and all that. So yeah, y'all, that's what I was doing. I'm not doing nothing for the rest of the day, I don't think. So yeah, this probably include this part of the video until tomorrow. I told y'all we go back to school tomorrow, and yeah. Oh, my shirt came. I don't know if I told y'all that I was missing my shirt, but my shirt came. It just is. But so later on tonight, I'm gonna like flexi rod my hair up. So the curls, they gonna drop, but at least I have some curls in it. So yeah, that concludes this portion of the video, y'all. Until tomorrow. So see y'all in the next clip. Hey y'all, I'm just now getting up. I don't even want to get on camera like this. My ears hurt from the belt band. But I'm about to brush my, I don't know, I'll probably brush my teeth first, then get dressed. I'll get back with y'all later. So y'all, it's currently 6:19. So I just got down, wash my face, brush my teeth, moisturize it. I'm about to start getting dressed. I'm ready to take this off because my ears is hurting. I have yet changed my nose piercing, but I'm about to in a few when I get dressed, after I get dressed. So yeah, y'all, I'm about to get dressed. I'm about to play some music because when I play music, it make me go faster, like get dressed faster. So I'll talk to y'all later. So y'all, I'm about to go put on my earrings and change my nose piercing. I didn't show y'all like me getting dressed because still I'm not rushing, but I'm trying to just get it done. It's currently 6:32, so yeah, the bus come around 7:20, or it's supposed to come around 7:20. So I'm about to go do that, and I'll give it to y'all. So y'all, I changed my piercing, my earrings, and I'm about to take out my hair. So yeah, I'm done. This side, these curls on this side, they too like hot. I like this side, they like these kind of like drop curls. When I walk outside, these curls probably drop, so hopefully. Yeah. So y'all, I'm done getting ready. This is my hair outfit. So yeah, these curls are higher than this side curls, but when I walk outside, maybe they'll drop. Hopefully they'll drop. So yeah, I'm about to sweep the floor. I'm about to sweep the floor and I get back with y'all. So yeah, I'm on the bus right now. I'm not doing that bullshit on the bus, but I'm gonna get back with y'all later when I'm at school. Yeah. Y'all, Kamari's on the bus. So y'all, we just made it to the school. I'm not gonna show y'all the school, but yeah. It took like an hour or something to get all of us on the bus and make it to the school. So we're about to get into school. I'm probably not gonna be able to vlog much while I'm in school because it's the first day back. The teacher's going over the syllabus and everything, but maybe I am. I don't know. I have to see like how my classes is first. So yeah, I'll get back with y'all. So y'all, we with everybody. Y'all say hi to the vlog. Say hi to guys. So y'all, we in class right now. Refilling out this paper. So y'all, we went over the syllabus. It wasn't really enough. You know, like how you go over syllabus in school, they talk about the same stuff: grades, consequences, late work, grades, replies, and all that. So it's not new. Marge right here, she can unload you, y'all. But yeah, she bought her camera, so hopefully she take pictures. Take what? You bought your camera, so hopefully I did. So y'all, we finna go to second period right now. Y'all gonna see Kamari later. Y'all not gonna see Sanaa later. So Sanaa, say bye to my vlog. Say bye to my vlog.
Why it looks so good? Like, why it look like it's moving it like, what's on you guys?
This is XR. This is XR.
But then when you talk about why is it like it's like, let me see you some cameras. Oh, it do. Wait, did mine do it?
I don't know.
Shit, mine don't. You said your shit gonna be.
So y'all, right now we're in the cafeteria. Look at Shay. Yeah, y'all, we just sitting down. I got tech. Shay just in here. I'm gonna get back with y'all later because we're not doing that but sitting down, talking, whatever. Y'all, the bell rings. So now I'm on the tech bus gonna go to my tech class. I probably don't vlog in there at all. Because we ain't talking about it. We don't be talking about it. But yeah, we finna go. I just look so cute, like, I got that stuff on though. I didn't really vlog in my tech class because we wasn't talking about nothing. We was just talking about how Christmas break went and this presentation we gotta do and stuff like this. Because y'all been having this class since last year, so it's the same teacher, the same stuff. It's like, I race the car or whatever, like, if you know, you know. But if you don't know, then I don't know. But, yeah, so I'm on the way back to my school. Yeah, I'm on the bus and we waiting on people. Waiting on a few people. But yeah, I'm just sitting here on my phone, so I'm not gonna vlog. Ain't no sense in me vlogging. And I'm just sitting here. So yeah, we just made it back to the school. I'm finna get off the bus. Been a trip. So y'all, we on the way. Well, they finna go home. We finna go home.
You better edit that shit out.
We finna. I'll get back to y'all later or when we go into that.
I'm trying not to fuck.
So y'all, I got my food. This is my first time trying this, so I'm gonna let y'all know how I look. I ain't even opened it yet. No, it's only a box I carried. So yeah, y'all. Get back to y'all later when I'm trying. This is what it look like. Whew, y'all. So y'all just got back home from getting that food at school. It's currently 4:39. We out of school at 3:40, and we went to go get food or whatever. So y'all, I'm ready to unwind. I'm about to post my Instagram pictures. If y'all haven't seen the pictures, they're gonna be inserted right here. Y'all like them? Yeah. But yeah, y'all, that's about it. I'm not doing nothing. I'm curl this hair up, and yeah. Well, I'm about to eat this food first. I'm about to eat that. I ain't gonna touch my hair because I don't want my hair to smell like no damn lobster. So yeah. So y'all, that's it for today's vlog. I'm not doing anything else in this vlog, so why not end the vlog here? If y'all stayed to this point, I'm pretty sure most of y'all did or didn't end up doesn't matter. But look, so thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all follow me on all my social medias. They're gonna be right here on the screen. Y'all go follow them. And they're also gonna be in the description box. So if you made it this far, thank y'all for watching. Love y'all. Y'all make sure y'all tune into the next video. My Dior babies out.